Hi, I'm Jason. If you're building a personal brand, the problem usually isn't that you need more content ideas. The real problem is that one piece of content is not going far enough. You record one video, post it on one platform, and then you have to manually upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, LinkedIn, and maybe Pinterest. And then you still have to worry about captions, formatting, watermarks, and saving the original video somewhere so that you can use it later. That is where a tool like Repurpose.io can help. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Repurpose.io for personal brand, how I would set up a beginner-friendly workflow, and how to turn one piece of content into multiple posts. By the way, if you would like, I have included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up to Repurpose.io for completely free. Test it out. Full disclosure, it's an affiliate link, so if you were to sign up using that link, it will help to support the channel at no additional cost to you. Now, let's dive in. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you will be redirected to Repurpose.io homepage. From here, you're just going to tap on Start Automating for free, and you'll be able to publish up to 10 videos for free. After you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, there are a few things that I want to quickly explain to you. For example, if you were to go over to the top left-hand corner, you're going to see Workflow. A workflow is basically a rule. You tell Repurpose.io where your content starts and where you want that content to go. So, for example's sake, you can tap right here on Create a Workflow, and let's say you mainly post content on TikTok and you would like to repurpose those TikTok content onto Instagram or YouTube. You can connect your TikTok account, and from there you can repurpose it on Instagram. You can also repurpose it on YouTube. To set this up, you first need to tap on Connections, and this is where you will be able to connect your different social media platforms. You're going to tap on Add New Connection in the top right hand corner, and you're going to see TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and all of the different social media platforms. Below each platform, you're either going to see Source or Destination. The source will basically mean this is where you're going to upload the content first, and the destination is where you can repurpose the content on. Mind you, some of the platforms allow you to use them as both source and destination. For example, Google Drive, you could upload a Google file, for example, and from there you can repurpose it on all of the different platforms. So let's say, for example, while building your social brand, the first platform you tend to post your content on is either TikTok or Instagram. So I would recommend that you connect either one of these accounts. So you can connect your Instagram account by simply tapping onto it, and then from there you can simply sign in. You could also connect your TikTok account if that is the account that you mainly post on, and then you can choose a destination, whether that be YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat, or so on. You can choose whichever one of these destinations. Once you have connected those accounts, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on Create Workflow in the top left hand corner. After you have selected Create Workflow, from there you can see Connect TikTok or Connect Instagram. Let's say we were to tap on Connect TikTok. After you have done that, you could choose the destination. The only destination I have added at the moment is YouTube. So that means it is going to automatically repurpose the TikTok video into a YouTube Shorts. So we're just going to tap on Get Started. After you have selected Get Started, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can now customize your first automation. So you can see the workflow at the top right here. It is not active at the moment. First, you're going to tap on View Workflow. After you have selected View Workflow, you're going to see the videos that you currently have on TikTok. If you don't see the videos that you currently have on TikTok, what I would recommend you do, it normally takes a few minutes for them to fetch the content. All you need to do is tap on Get Latest Content right here, and it is going to automatically fetch the content. Keep in mind, once you have signed up, it takes a few minutes, so please be patient. After it has been connected, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on the three dots. After you have selected the three dots, you're going to tap on Settings. Then from here, you have numerous options you can edit. If you would like to skip videos containing a particular hashtag, you can do that, or only publish videos containing a particular hashtag, you can do that. Then you can select the destination, And from there, you could choose to remove TikTok hashtags when posting to YouTube. You can also choose to add custom text. You can choose to disable or enable automatic publishing of custom comment on your video. You can do that. Or you can choose to use Repurposed.io AI generated content. So for example, Repurposed.io offers an option where you can auto-generate posts, captions, and hashtags for auto-published content. So you could enable that if you want. You can also tap on content, and from here you could upload an intro file or an outro file. You could choose to trim the video. So for example, if you would like to repurpose videos for 3 or 60 seconds, you can do that. You can see different options. You can see auto trim videos to appear as YouTube shorts. You can simply toggle that on or off if you want. Then you will tap on advanced. After selecting advanced, this is where you will be able to add your YouTube tags. And you can also choose the default text language, default audio language, and you can scroll down and you want to toggle on where you see public, you'll toggle that on right there. And you can also choose to upload thumbnail to YouTube if you want by toggling this on. And if you like them to be added to a particular playlist, you can select the playlist right here. You can also change the category if you want. Once you're finished, you're just going to select publish. And this is where you'll be able to choose what content you'd like to repurpose. For example, if you have old content on your TikTok or Instagram reel, all you'll need to do is tap right here and you can see repurpose content as soon as possible or repurpose content on a schedule. You have two different options. So for example, I'll select as soon as possible. After you have done that, you can choose email me when a video is successfully published. You could toggle that. Or if you like to schedule it, you can select based on a schedule. After you have selected based on a schedule, from there you can filter it. So you can choose whether you like to publish future content, meaning content that you're uploading now going into the future, or you like to publish all content, meaning future and existing content. So your old content, you could choose that. Or if you like to publish only existing content, so only the past content. You have different options that you can choose from. And let's say you like to repurpose content from a particular year, you can also do that. You can see which posts to include. You can select whether you like all posts or posts after a specific date. If you select after a specific date, this is where you'll be able to choose the date. So let's say for example sake, I were to tap right where you see July 26th, and I would like to repurpose content from January. You could select from January. If you like to change the year, you could change the year as you can see right here. And I could choose a next year as you can see right there. So you have different options that you can choose from. After you have done that, you can also choose how many posts you would like to upload per day. So for example, if you like it to push 5 posts per day, you can do that. Then you can choose the time that you would like it to be published. So you can choose the time right here. Once everything is to your liking, you'll just tap on save to save the changes. After you have selected save, you're going to see all of the videos that you have on the source platform. So for example, I selected TikTok and I have 2 TikTok videos. If I were to go onto TikTok, you can see I have 2 TikTok videos right here. So that's why you're seeing 2 right here. So once everything is up and running, you'll see active right beside it. And if you like to toggle on auto publish, you can simply toggle on auto publish right there. So that's how you'll be able to create your first workflow. And that's basically it. So for example, a good workflow that you could set up is if you post on TikTok first, then you could create a workflow that sends the video automatically to Instagram Reels or to YouTube Shorts. Then another workflow that sends that video to Facebook Reels. And then you could create a backup workflow that saves the video to Google Drive or Dropbox. Now, one video is no longer just one post. That one video can become 3, 4, or 5 different content placements. That is the leverage. Now let's check out the pricing when it comes on to Respond.io. With Respond.io, while you can get started for completely free, I would recommend that you go onto the monthly plan as it is a small investment. You will be able to get started for as low as $35 per month. That's basically $1 per day. And you can see right here, you'll be able to connect up to 3 accounts for each social network. So you'll be able to connect, for example, if you have 3 different Instagrams, you can connect 3 different Instagrams, 3 different TikTok, and 3 different YouTube channels and publish over 5,000 videos per month. If it is a case that you have numerous accounts, you can go onto the Pro plan, as you'll be able to connect up to 10 accounts for each social network. And if you're running an agency, you could go onto the agency plan, where you'll be able to connect up to 25 accounts for each social network and publish unlimited videos per month. But for most beginners, I would recommend that they go with the starter option. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative, and best of luck building your personal brand.